Hello everyone. Today we are going to be building these interfaces. So those are the authentication screens of our social media app. Here you can see the sign in and the create account screens. There's a forgot password screen where we can enter your phone number. So we are going to start building these before going to the main screens of our social media app. Here is the code screen, and it's doing it softly, and here you can change your password. So that's all. We have also the welcome screen. Let me go back quickly, and you have a scroll view, an horizontal scroll view with indicators to show some text to the user. So stay tuned guys, and don't forget to subscribe. We are going to get right to it. So thank you and stay tuned for the next videos.